there's a leaf detail on there. Just a simple hook. I forged this out of 3/8 square, but I'm going to try 5/16 round. So first thing is forge the leaf, then the stem, then the hook, and then shape these. I use a round punch to form it, and then the drill to finish the holes. I've been kind of partial to wire brush polish, just a finish on there. That's what I'm going to do with these ones. Alright, let's get it going. Taper. This time we make it a bit longer. Offset about an inch from the tip there. Or not offset, shoulder. Try and hold the stock at 45. Just using flat die. I'm going to draw out the stem a bit. Rounding hammer. Looking at it better. So I got the bud there for the leaf. Section here, spread it out this way. We'll finish the stem here first and then do this. Rounding hammer, just drawing out the stem a bit more. Trying to round it. There we go. Rounding hammer again. Center. That's better. So now I'm just going to spread it out, like I said, this way. Using the corner of the rounding die. Okay, rounding die, corner again. I'm working with all that material I pushed out to the sides. Just spreading it out. That's more leaf shaped, I'd say. Now just smooth out some of the hammer marks in there, not too much, I like to have a bit of texture in there. With this heat, smooth out the hammer marks a touch, and then I'll use my hot cut and chisel in some veins on the leaf. I really hope I'm recording right now. Okay, good. So yeah, I set the leaf on here and chisel in a few veins to give it some visual appeal. Spring puller and a clip. That was pure accident. Alright. Just going to smooth that out a bit. Trying to form a bit of a peak in the center of the leaf. One. Alright. Nice thing about this chisel is that it's wider, you can walk it. As you can see. There we go. rawhide would be best. This doesn't score the surface when I hammer it, the texture. There's a little scoop in here, a little crack I like to use. Help give the leaf some curvature, some life. Alright, look for the veins, facing down. We go in here. Begin with the corner of the mallet again. Maybe go like this a bit. Bring it back. So I don't know if the camera catches that, but now it's got some curve to it, so it doesn't look flat and lifeless. Alright, so next part, I'm going to square this section up, and then cut it from the stock, and then form the hook. Using a square die, flat die. I don't want to get really sharp corners. Going for about 3 inches from the taper down. There we go. Keep looking in. Try and knock some of this excess scale off. Still got a bit of heat left in this, so I'm gonna cut it. This isn't exactly the best anvil tool to use. It is a cutoff party, but it's a little blunt. Okay, so from the taper, I want 4 inches. Now we're into tong work, which is always more difficult than being able to just hold the stock. So the mistake I made there is I used the cutoff party there as a leverage point, and it's marred the side here. That's alright, I'm just going to say it gives a character. So what I'm going to do with this piece now, or that piece that's in the forge, is I'm going to draw out, it's called a screwdriver taper. So it keeps the same width, but it gets thinner in the cross section like that. I'm going to draw that out to a screwdriver taper, then form the scroll, and then the hook. Squaring it, flat die, rounding hammer. Flat die. Do some finishing. That's the first round, do it again. Rounding hammer again. Flat. Round. Flat. Okay, so finishing now. The heavy marks out of that. Knock the corners down a bit. So now we're ready to do the scroll at the bottom here, and then the hook. So whichever way the hook is going to go, do the scroll in the opposite direction. So I'm going to scroll leaf pattern facing up, and scroll down, finish it on the anvil, and use the horn to shape the hook. Okay, nice and hot. Over the edge. Nice round roller. Grab it by the bar. It's a bit stronger. A little bit longer on the hook there. I'm gonna leave it like that though, that's good. So I gotta punch holes, or start the holes for screws here and here, put 2 of them in for added stability. I'm just gonna use a round punch. Come on, camera, you can do it. There we go. This is a simple round punch I made out of coil spring. It'll be a quick job to do this. Forming the hook, the steel was a little cool for that. Kind of pushed it. Probably should have put it back in the forge to heat it up. That's quite a bit of effort. Okay, super level. I'm gonna drive this almost all the way through. Work with me here. Okay. Apparently does not want to stand up anymore. Sure. There's one hole, we'll do another. Would like to get that done in 1 heat. I think the 5/16 round might be a bit small for this. Okay, second round. Pulling off the punch bit. Straighten it on the corner. It's good. So that's the finished piece there. Not the best lighting in here. It's not bad. Just got to polish it, drill those holes, and it's done. Thanks for watching, everybody.